Et donc, c'était l'occasion finalement de vouloir perpétuer l'esprit d'innovation et du savoir-faire français avec ces tablettes tactiles qui sont autour de moi, qui me permettent de jouer et de mixer la musique.
See, already I can tell that it's very responsive.
Yeah, just press another scale and then...
see what happens, and then I literally will just be like...
Just like, yeah, that sounds fire. I should have recorded that one.
And yeah,
You know, being able to present people with an instrument that looks really awesome and you can perform with it is like huge. And then it also does everything that a standard MIDI controller would do, plus like the Z dimension and like, you know, like, yeah, it's just really fun. So